So this is my GoPro Hero 10 Black, and I thought I'd make a video on it. Had this for about 3+ years now, and it hasn't really seen that much use. I mostly use it for like dash cam videos, recording me driving, time lapses, indoor stuff. I don't really use this outdoors as much as I probably should have, but yeah, and it has a problem. So currently it'll turn on, as you can see, but if I turn it off and I remove the battery, and now if I reinstall the battery, see how the screen kind of lights up and that red light turns on. Also, it's not going to show, but if you look at the back screen, it's too reflective. You'll see a bunch of black lines lit up in it. Well, now it won't turn on. And it'll do the same thing with USB power. And this battery is mostly charged. Yeah, so it's still not going to turn on. If you plug the battery in and the front screen lights up like this and that red LED lights up, it's just not going to turn on. Oh, no. Yeah, if one or the other's on. Basically, to get it to power on ever again, you have to power cycle it non-stop until you get to a point where it doesn't try to fire on. I don't know if there's a timing thing to it. Like if you do it really fast. Yeah. So basically this GoPro is not going to turn on ever again unless I can get it to take the battery and not light up like that, which is really annoying. I even tried holding the power button down while I insert the battery. And I've done all the troubleshooting steps. You know, they say you hold the power button down for a while until it turns off. I had to manually do the firmware update using the SD card. And I also have tried, you know, no battery, different power sources, all sorts of stuff. But this thing's just kind of pretty much dead. And from the sound of it, take this stupid door off so I can cycle this while I talk. From the sound of it, this is a common issue. Oh, no. Yeah. And more than likely the board's bad. Now the thing is, since this has been indoors most of its life, it's not like it's gotten damaged. I think it's been dropped once. Where's the drop damage that I saw? It wasn't dropped very hard. Honestly, that might not even be drop damage. Just a minor little indent on the lens cover. But GoPros are just junk now. Like, I don't think GoPro's made a good camera in a while. And because I removed the battery, I might not ever get this to turn on again. Like, what a terrible camera. And this is the last GoPro I'm ever going to buy that's brand new. And I'm definitely not buying a GoPro that's newer than a Hero 10. Or Hero 10 or new, I should say. Because it's quite clear. I think I might have been able to turn it on that time. Oh well. It's quite clear that the cameras they make are just junk now. And I don't know what I'm going to be going to next. Supposedly the DJI Action 4 is a really good camera to replace this one. But I don't like the fact that the DJI requires you to have their goofy app to actually activate the camera. Like, you can't use the camera out of the box. You have to get their stupid app, and then that like lets you activate the camera. And I do not think I'm going to be able to get my GoPro to turn on ever again. So annoying. Yeah. I might go with an Insta360. But I don't know. It really sucks because this camera got really good video footage. One thing I did, well, multiple things I hated about it. So there's no clock battery. So if the battery sits out too long, it loses its time and date settings. Well, I never kept this battery in it because I hardly ever use this battery. This battery has probably less power on charge cycles than the camera does. And this thing is horrible about overheating. I overheat constantly. It runs so hot, it's ridiculous. I burned myself trying to unmount it from a tripod once after letting it run. Not, a serious burn, but it's like superficial, annoying burn. And this is never going to turn on. And the other thing is, when you're recording like from the inside of a car, so like when I was doing my FSD videos, when you churn, the horizon lock, come on, I don't know what's actually on, or well, it's not on, but the screen's lit up. The stupid horizon lock would churn with the car, and like it'd shift your image and stuff, and it's like, no, don't do that. I'm trying to figure out how to hold this. But yeah, so it's like, and I tried disabling all the settings and tweaking all that, but I ended up just, what did I end up doing? I did something to make it work. It was really annoying and aggravating though. Yeah, this thing's just dead now. Like, what a piece of garbage. I forget what I paid for this. It was too much. Like, it didn't even last 3 years. I'll go grab my Hero 2. So this is my Hero 2. I think I bought this secondhand. I don't remember how I got my hands on this. But this thing, I mean, it's literally disintegrating. I think, yeah, the case is busted. There's some screws that, I don't think they're even attached anymore. I should figure out how to 3D print a new case for it or something. But like, this thing's been through hell. And it still turns on. Or it might. Oh, there we go. Whoops. I'm just being patient. The battery's dead. It's been sitting on my shelf for quite a while, not charged. So it turns on even though the battery is basically dead. And this battery is ancient. Like, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy that this GoPro Hero 2 that's been thrashed is more reliable than my Hero 10 Black. Oh no, screen lit. It's so hard to tell that the screen's lit up when looking through the camera screen. But yeah, this thing's just a piece of trash. Like, this is the worst GoPro I've ever owned. And I haven't owned many, but I haven't owned one that was total junk like this one before now. The worst thing my Hero 2 has done is there's been a couple times where it's froze, but otherwise, like, it hasn't completely died and become non-functional. And honestly, I think the firmware updates that I did on it were the problem, because GoPro's dumb little app or software was like, oh, you have a firmware update to your camera, do you want to do it? I was like, sure, whatever. And I did it, and after that, like, it chops up the recordings into multiple clips, and it makes the low resolution file, and I don't use the low resolution file, so it's like, I just want one really long clip, the length of my recording. Just gonna keep seeing if I can power cycle it until I rage and give up. Yeah, I don't know if it's ever gonna turn on again. It's really annoying. I don't even know, like, why is this thing initialized when you plug the battery in? I think, like, it's Like it's trying to do a soft power on. Kind of like a PC where you give your PC power. And the power supply does a little attempt to power on even though it's not supposed to. It's part of the sequence and all. Dell PCs do. It's really annoying because it means that you have to wait for it to do that. But like, yeah, whatever's going on. I mean, fuck that piece of trash. That's all I have to say. So yeah, I'm never buying another GoPro. Screw that brand. GoPro's trash. This thing's trash. A waste of money. Like, if you want an action camera that's not crap, don't buy a GoPro because it's